next, and we're going to start at the top. This is page 101 next, and it says to write the missing numbers. Okay, well, in order to do this, what I really need to do is subtract here. This is how I actually do it. I think 7.23 minus 4.9 should be whatever is in that box. I could also try and count up as well from 4.9. So there's a few ways you could figure this out. But I'm going to subtract here, and then I should get the answer. So that's a 3. This becomes a 12. This is a 6, so I think I can subtract now. Okay. And 2.33 should be the missing numbers. And you could check your work pretty quickly. 4.9 plus 2.3. Okay. We would say that's quickly, we would know that's 7.23. Okay. So let's get that in there. We can write that out. So this is 2.3, oh, sorry, 3, yeah. Okay, and then let me add that up. That's 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 7.23. So it checks out. So 2.33 is the number that goes in the missing box. And let's do B this time. We'll move horizontally. All right, again, I could subtract. I need to take 8.97 minus 7.59. All right, so I borrow, I get 17 here. Okay, and then that's 8, 3, okay, and 1.38 should be the missing number there. Okay, so make sure you have 1.38. I can think of these as variables. That's one way I do this. For C, I can call this x minus 14.8. And if I want to solve this, I just need to do the opposite. So I think of this as an algebra problem, really. And I'm solving for x. So I just need to take 34.8 plus, and I'll erase that x. I don't want you to write the x there. Plus 14.8. And that should give us our answer. So once we add this up, bring our decimal straight down. Okay, that should be 49.6 for our answer there. So it should be 49.6. Okay, and for D, let's look there at D. It says 50 minus what is 5.2, okay? So really here, I can just take 50, I could take 50 minus 5.2 and I should get my answer. Okay, so I'll try that. Let's say 50 minus 5.2. Okay, and again, make sure this time you need to actually add a decimal. So this is a little bit unique from what we've seen before. We need to add that decimal and the 0 there. And now we can subtract. This is a 10. This we borrowed from. This becomes a 9. And now we can subtract. So this is, well, we need to do that one as well. So this can be 8, and then this is 4, and this should be 44.8 here. All right, so D is correct. Those are all the answers there so far. And it says here are some number cards. Choose 4 number cards to complete these calculations. Okay, so let's pick 4 of these out and we'll see what the calculations end up being. So let's pick 4 number cards. First one, okay. We can just pick any of these, I suppose, any of these that will work. The first one must be 10. Okay, so let's try, what can we add together to get 10 here? How about 7.4 plus 2.6? Does that work? We took 7.4 plus 2.6. I think that'll work. Okay, there might be others in there that work, but I know that one works. Okay, now we need to take 1 minus what equals what? Well, here we just, we need to think 1 minus what equals what? All right. I know that can't be this one, can't be that one, can't be that one, can't be that one. Okay. And I think what I'm left with here from these ones, I'll try one. What about this one and this one? Let's try what's 1 minus 0.66. Let's try that one and see what we get. All right. All right, in this case, when we have the 0 here, we need to borrow. Okay, so this becomes a 0 point, and this is a 9, and this is a 10. All right, and that becomes 4, 3. Is that one of our options, 0.34? Let's see, it is. All right, we're set then. That's going to be 0.66, and that's 0.34. Okay, that's how we do that for page 101. And now